up with my man and went to Amsterdam alone. So I packed a bag and I called a cab. I switched off my phone. Empty chair next to me, just my luck, window seat. I'm already loving being on my own. I'm already loving being all alone. In a little cafe with a little high grade. Maybe it's a little too strong, but when in Rome, I do as the Romans do. Build me up a split for two. Inhale, exhale, say hi.
Waiting for the smoke to clear, keep waiting. My whole week is eating enough origami, pre and paintings. I will never feel alone. Jamming with Van Gogh and Frida Kahlo. Bun the stress and bun the trouble. Floating around the city, safe up in this bubble. You couldn't burst it if you tried. Hate to say it, you killed my vibe, but you killed my vibe and harsh my buzz. Life was blessed till there was us. Rode until the wheels fell off. Crushed the whole thing into dust. Dug a hole, buried us. Nothing left to reconstruct. Last few months were kinda dead. Saltiness, the sourness, them kind of flavors ain't the one. Need some seasoning, some rum. Need to jet. Needed fun, need to do it on my ones. Need to get you off my cloud. Heaviness, it brings us down. Put some space between us, then put the sea between us. Cool off this heat between us. I wasn't wrong, was right to leave us behind. Been kinda low when I needed to climb. Hurt for a second, but giving it time. My mama Jason is feeling so nice. Damn's a healer, booked to fly.
Needed to get